Hello everyone, this is Rashid. As you are already aware that Sasha is providing excellent opportunities for students who want to improve their English language skills and also to those who want to pass their IELTS test with their required score. Today we have Miss Mashid and Murza with us. They have completed their 3 months of Advanced English Language Course here. And they're here to discuss their experience, how it went. Hello, Miss Murza. Thank you for coming over here to talk about your experience of studying with us.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Let's first talk about what was the reason why, what motivated you to take classes of English language, why you wanted to improve your English language.
Okay, there are so many reasons that I have for this question, I would like for answering it. So one of the main reasons is in order to achieve my goals and my dreams, like English is crucial for this one. So beside that, I want to actually English is act like a bridge between me and my dreams in it both academically and also socially. Beside that, I'm really passionate about learning. It doesn't matter what kind of it. I will try my best.
What do you think of the content of the course?
Yeah, 100%. I really appreciate so many things about the course. One of the main thing was the variety of activities which the course provided us, and also this supportive and creative class that we had together. I really loved your teaching and your contents. You were wonderfully our best teacher ever. And other thing was I really love learning things into practice, not just note taking stuff like that. And I found it wonderful that you taught us grammar on all these things in format of just speaking, which was something different, and I really love that. Yeah.
How about the area of writing? Do you think you have improved?
Oh my god, dramatically. Actually, it was a big change for me, and also I really loved this change because I had problem with my writing for years, and then now I can see that when I write I just keep writing. It has been an amazing experience for me. Yeah.
Apart from taking with you the language skills that you have learned over here, do you think that you have improved as a human being here?
Yes, always. And there is one thing that I really find about this course was that how it helped us to improve our critical thinking, in format of also learning language, because for example, you give us different topics to talk about, to think, and beside of that, whenever I had a question, it doesn't matter even if it was a grammar things, anything, you just give us answer, which was something I really loved. Yeah.
What do you think of the teaching skills?
Yeah, 100%. Most of people say when you wake up, you should have something that you're excited to do. And for me, whenever I wake up, English class was this exciting thing to go. Besides that, I'm going to math class and other classes. Those are a little bit boring, but whenever I come to English class, it's I'm 100% energy. My energy is full, and it's one of the reasons is I really love talk about different topics. No matter what, just giving my opinion is something I really love, and that's what I find it in this course, especially in terms of English. I love that. Yeah.
And what do you say? Would you recommend this course to others?
Yeah, thank you so much firstly. And yes, 100%. I love everything about the course. There is nothing that I said I hated this part. I love everything. The hard working, you gave us all those homeworks. Those were hard, but it was something that put us in challenge and we learned a lot. So yeah, I think everyone who wants to learn language, either it's IELTS or either it's spoken English, take both. Just come here and then work hard. I'm 100% sure that you will get the real reason and you will achieve your goal.
As I said, that you've been working very hard here and it has well paid off. So I hope that it's gonna be with you and you're gonna make best out of it. I wish you best of luck for your future.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, Mashid. So tell us, what was your experience like?
Yeah. Okay. So my name is Mashid and I'm a student. Well, I was looking for a place so I could learn English academically, and at the same time I could have fun during the class and have different activities during the class. And I'm really pleased that I joined this class. My experience here has been amazing, and I see a lot of improvements in myself, and I've learned a lot of new things. And thanks to our amazing instructor, Mr. Rashid. And all these things being said, I would describe my experience here as a creative, cooperative, and also wonderful experience. And yeah,
How about the area of writing? Do you think you have improved?
Yeah, actually, when I joined the class, like my speaking and my writing wasn't as good as it is right now. I was always like mixing up topics together, and I didn't know how to write like in a formative and academic way. And I think I've seen a lot of changes in my writings as well as my speaking, and yeah.
Okay, and in what way do you think that this course now will help you in future?
Yeah, I think this course would help me a lot in the future, especially academically, because I would join like maybe like college in a few years, and like writing an essay and these things weren't I wasn't familiar with these things.
All right, best of luck for your future.